the high school biology teacher who forgot how blood actually works. So, my little brother Leo is, well, he's one of those kids who watches medical documentaries for fun. He's 12 years old, and honestly, he probably knows more about anatomy than most adults. Last Tuesday, he comes home looking absolutely defeated. His science teacher, Mr. Sterling, was standing there, dead serious, telling the class that human blood is actually blue, until it hits the oxygen outside your body. Leo, being a total nerd, raised his hand and politely explained that, no, blood is always red. It just looks blue through the skin because of how light reflects through our tissue. Sterling didn't like that at all. He told Leo to sit down, stop being a TikTok scientist, and then gave him a full week of detention for disrespecting the curriculum. He even confiscated Leo's favorite medical encyclopedia, calling it distracting material. My mom was livid. She didn't just call the school, she called my Aunt Jen, who happens to be a top-tier vascular surgeon at the city hospital. The very next Friday, it was career day. Aunt Jen walks into the classroom, full scrubs, looking like a total boss. She starts her presentation by asking the class a simple question. Who can tell me what color blood is inside the veins? Sterling, trying to look smart in front of a real doctor, chirps up from the back. It's blue, doctor, we actually just covered that in our lesson. Aunt Jen didn't even blink. She pulled up a high-def video on the projector of an actual surgery, showing deep, dark, crimson blood flowing through a vein. She looked Sterling right in the eye and said, actually, that's a myth from the 1970s. Maybe you should check a newer textbook before punishing students for being right. The entire class went silent, and then, they started whispering. Sterling looked like he wanted to vanish into the floor. Leo didn't just get his book back. The principal made Sterling apologize to the entire class. Now, whenever Mr. Sterling says anything, he looks at Leo first, just to make sure it's actually true.